Hi, Math 2. Let's get our last toolkit done for this week. We're going to practice solving for more missing side lengths based on our sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. So looking at this new problem, I have my angle of 21 degrees. That's my theta. My side length labeled 125 is my adjacent side. And my W that's across from the 90-degree angle is going to be my hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse, if you go back and look at your notes from the other day, we know that the cosine of an angle equals the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So I'm going to plug in my numbers. The cosine of 21 degrees equals 125 divided by W. Now I need to solve for W, but first I need to get W out of the denominator. So if I multiply the left and the right by W, you get that W times the cosine of 21 degrees equals 125. Now I'm going to divide both sides by the cosine of 21 degrees. And yes, we need to divide by the whole piece because it's the whole unit, the cosine of 21 degrees. So W equals 125 divided by the cosine of 21 degrees. And I'm going to use my calculator to say, hey, that's 125 divided by, let's see what I get. 125 cosine of 21, 0.934. Which is about my final answer, 133.893. So W is approximately 133.893. Perfect. Now I'm going to look at this very last example. I have my angle measurement of 70 degrees. We have X, which is my adjacent leg, and 40, which is my opposite leg. So we're looking at a tangent ratio or a slope ratio because we know that the tangent of an angle theta equals opposite over adjacent. So now we're going to solve this. I'm going to say that the tangent of 70 degrees equals 40 divided by X. I have divide by X on the denominator, and it's creating difficulties because we can't solve for it while it's down there. So I'm going to multiply both the left and the right by X to bring it up out of the denominator. So now X times the tangent of 70 degrees equals 40. But we need X by itself. So I'm going to divide by the tangent of 70 degrees, which will make my tangent of 70 degrees divided by the tangent of 70 degrees create a 1. But if I do that on the left, I also need to do it on the right. So I can say now that X equals the tangent of X equals Back up a step, Miss Shayna. 40 divided by the tangent of 70 degrees. Well, based on my calculator, I can tell you that the tangent of 70 degrees is approximately 2.747. And 40 divided by that number is approximately 14.559. So x is approximately 14.559. And there you guys have it. Finding your missing side lengths in a right triangle when you're given one angle and one side. Work through the practice and let me know where you'd like some help.